Hi everyone! Today we'll practice 15 words from the Oxford 5000 with example sentences. Just listen and repeat after me. Ready. Ready. Prepared for something. Prepared for something. She is ready to start her new job. She is ready to start her new job. I'm not ready to leave yet. I'm not ready to leave yet. Situation. Situation. Set of conditions or events at a time. Set of conditions or events at a time. The situation was very difficult. The situation was very difficult. He handled the situation calmly. He handled the situation calmly. Disagree. Disagree. To have a different opinion. To have a different opinion. I disagree with your idea. I disagree with your idea. They often disagree about politics. They often disagree about politics. Chef. Chef. A professional cook. A professional cook. The chef prepared a delicious meal. The chef prepared a delicious meal. We met the head chef at the restaurant. We met the head chef at the restaurant. Speak. Speak. To say words or talk. To say words or talk. She can speak 3 languages. She can speak 3 languages. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Rice. Rice. Small white or brown grains that are eaten as food. Small white or brown grains that are eaten as food. We had rice with vegetables for dinner. We had rice with vegetables for dinner. She bought a bag of rice from the store. She bought a bag of rice from the store. Hero. Hero. A person admired for courage or great deeds. A person admired for courage or great deeds. The firefighter is a local hero. The firefighter is a local hero. Children often choose a superhero as their hero. Children often choose a superhero as their hero. Artist. Artist. A person who creates art. A person who creates art. The artist painted a beautiful picture. The artist painted a beautiful picture. She is a famous artist in Paris. She is a famous artist in Paris. After. After. Later than something in time. Later than something in time. We went home after the movie. We went home after the movie. She called me after dinner. She called me after dinner. Race. Race. A competition of speed. A competition of speed. He won the 100-meter race. He won the 100-meter race. They will race in the marathon tomorrow. They will race in the marathon tomorrow. His. Belonging to him. Belonging to him. This is his book. This is his book. I saw his car in the parking lot. I saw his car in the parking lot. Anything. Anything. Any object, event, or action. Any object, event, or action. Do you need anything from the store? Do you need anything from the store? She didn't say anything about the problem. She didn't say anything about the problem. July. July. The 7th month of the year. The 7th month of the year. We went on vacation in July. We went on vacation in July. Her birthday is in July. Her birthday is in July. Necessary. Necessary. Needed or required. Needed or required. It is necessary to wear a helmet. It is necessary to wear a helmet. She brought all the necessary documents. She brought all the necessary documents. Nothing. Nothing. Not anything. Not anything. There is nothing in the box. There is nothing in the box. He said nothing about the meeting. He said nothing about the meeting. That's it for today. I'll cover the Oxford 5000 from beginner to advanced, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.